Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to find your card number on PNC app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on PNC, you can use our link in the description and you may get discount, rewards, or bonuses upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to do, there are two ways to, find your card number on PNC. First is on the app itself, and the other one is by contacting the customer service of PNC. So first, we're going to find our number on the PNC application. So I'm going to open my PNC application and sign in to my account. And after signing into my account, as you can see, there is a bunch of options that you can choose. But I'm going to my account settings, and under account settings, I'm going to click account actions, and I'm going to select one of my accounts that is being added in my PNC, and also it will show me my routing number. So after I click it, I will now verify my identity and enter a OTP message. And after I send the OTP and verify my identity, I will now be able to see my full account number and also other information just like my card number and my routing number right here. So if you don't have, or if you're having problem finding your account number on your application, you can also go to the PNC customer service. Just go to their website and scroll down until you find their contact information just like here. So as you can see, I can call them with this number from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m., 9 p.m. To Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I can call it with this number. So if you having a problem, just call this number and ask them for help to find your account number on PNC. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find your PNC account number. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.